Hi, in this video I'm going to demonstrate a few ways that I play the train beat. So the train beat sort of comes from that rockabilly country sort of feel. It does get used in other genres, but that's sort of probably what it's famous for. And it's got that driving backbeat or that driving accent on the snare drum roll. Okay, so the first way I'm going to demonstrate it is by playing a single stroke roll and accenting like the offbeats with the right hand. So if you break down what the motion is, it's an up down with the right hand. And it's a tap, a fill-in tap with the left hand. And that right hand, like I said, is giving the backbeat. Now, the bass drum and left foot hi-hat sort of have this walking feel. So it's a simple concept, but the thing behind it is to get that whipping sort of accent out of the right hand. Now, a couple of variations that I use is to accent just before the right hand accent with the left hand, and also just after the right hand accent. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the one after. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you could combine some of those together to make sort of like an improvised groove. So another way to play this groove is by using a double stroke roll. So starting on the left hand, like a left, left, right, right, is how I use it. That was inspired by the great drummer W.S. Fluke Holland, who played with Johnny Cash. And I heard him talking about his train beat, and he said he played a double stroke roll some of the time. And you'll see him, if you go and check out his playing, you'll see him playing the backbeat with the right hand. So it sort of means he's playing a left-handed double stroke roll with the right hand backbeat. It sounds like this. Yeah, that has a different feel to it to me. When you're playing it, it just feels different. It feels like it really flows nicely. And again, it's another alternate to playing it as a single. So another way that I use this is by playing a paradiddle, a reverse paradiddle. So the sticking is right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, and you're accenting the offbeat within that sticking pattern. So it sounds like this. With the feet. That one feels great to play as well because it really feels like you're alternating between the two hands and getting that really relaxed, hopefully, rhythm and motion between the right and left hand. Okay, so that's the train beat. It's got that real driving energy, which I love. It's a really good example of how we use the 4 stick motions within a groove. So make sure you go and check out the practice pad book. You can get a PDF version or a hard copy sent out. I break down a variety of grooves, all by using the 4 stick motions. So the train beat's just a great example of that. There's many more also in the book. So go check out the website, place an order, and I'll send it out to you. All right, thanks for watching. Take care. See you on the next one. Cheers.